Guys, so I'm going to do a makeup tutorial using the Makeup Revolution Forever Flawless Birds of Paradise palette. And I was thinking of doing a matte orange eyeshadow look. So I'm going to start off by taking the shade Canary, that's the bright yellow right in the palette right here. And I already started actually just applying it in the crease. I'm using the e.l.f. blending eye brush to apply. So I already started on this eye. And I'm just going to take it and apply it in the crease. Like that. And just make sure to tap off that excess a little bit more. And then I'm going to start applying it to my other eye. And we're just going to keep this look all matte and very bright. And I'm going to apply it on my lid. Make sure to go in circular motions. On the lid. And in the crease again. And in the lid. See, the look will look a lot more bright right now. And I'm going to apply it to the lid on the other eye. And see both eyes right now. This is how they look. Okay. Really brightening up the shade with the yellow. So this is just going to be a base for the orange shade I'm going to put on top of it, just to make it a little bit more brighter, even though it's a pretty bright shade. The yellow is a little bit more pigmented than the orange I'm going to use. Now we have a very matte yellow look. Apply more of the canary shade on the other side. Next, I'm just going to take this is the Kestrel brush, looks like this, And I'm just gonna, it has no product, and I'm just gonna blend this eye a little bit more without using any eyeshadow. I just want to blend it a little bit better without having the extra excess eyeshadow on it. Okay. Now that's done doing that, I'm going to go into the orange shade. I'm going to use Toucan Play. It's this really bright, beautiful orange. This is my favorite shade in the palette. And I'm going to start to apply it in the crease. So, I'm going to take it. And I'm going to try to go all the way down on the brush more. Make a little bits, just so my grip isn't nearly as good. So it's a little bit more messy. See, really pretty orange shade. It's gonna give it that very neon kind of orange, which is what I'm kind of going for, without it being over the top, like too neon, where it's kind of more reddish. And I'm gonna start applying it to my lid too. Yep. That is more the color I'm looking for. Start applying it to my other eye in the crease. Yeah, that, and on the lid. Apply more Toucan Play. Until I'm happy with how it looks. Very bright, very orange. And that's exactly what I'm going for. Apply more on this eye as well. And I'm just gonna keep dipping into the Toucan Play shade. Okay, I'm actually going to take a smaller brush. This is the e.l.f. eye crease brush. I'm going to take off the excess before I apply. Okay, now I'm going to go into Toucan Play. And I'm going to start applying it on my lid. And do it to the other eye as well. I need a bit more of that orange, even oranger look. Okay. Now I'm going to take a big blending eye brush. This is the Kestrel one again, and I am just going to blend it better. Just the crease without applying any extra product. Okay, and this is how you kind of want it to look. I'm not the best at blending, but I tried my best. Next, okay, so next I'm going to take more mascara. I already applied a pretty decent amount, but I kind of got powder on my lashes, so I'm going to apply some more mascara. So I'm going to take this is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I'm going to apply it on my lashes. Just give it more volume and to show up better. Yep, that's how I want it to look. Like that. Okay, now I'm going to take it to the other eye. Actually, I'm going to put it on my lower lashes too. Like that. And I'm going to apply it to my other eye. And my lower lashes. Okay, so now I'm pretty happy with the way lashes look. And I'm going to finish this off with a lip. So I'm going to take MAC Whirl. This is like a beautiful, like, deeper nude brown kind of shade. Kind of purple undertone. Let me check this better. Yeah. Yeah, it's not pretty. Okay. Got my teeth a little bit. like this shade, but I think with how warm this orange eye look is, and now I'm going to add another brown shade just to make it look a little bit warmer. I love the depth that the shade has though. I think it would look prettier with like a more neutral eye look though. So I'm going to take MAC Velvet Teddy on top. Yeah. Just to give it a lot more warmth. Alright, well, I'm not a huge fan of the eye ratio to lip ratio. I think next time I would just use MAC Velvet Teddy, but it's okay. I don't want anything cool tone either, so I'm going to brush up my hair a little bit better. And then I'll show you guys the final look in a second. Okay, you guys, this is the final look. So I just applied the eyeshadow and the lip, which is MAC Whirl and MAC Velvet Teddy. But yeah, next time I wouldn't do this type of brown. I thought it would work together, but it's a little bit too cool tone for this look. But that is the final look.